Hey there, fellow Halloween enthusiasts. I will show you how I will be taking my Halloween decorations to the next level as we count down to Jmart's Halloween Haunt in 2023. I plan on making 90 videos with a mixture of shorts and informative YouTube videos. But this year I will be focusing on the following: utilizing Alexa routines for automation and creating mini shows. I will be also using Govee lights along with other smart lights. I will be using ATMOSFX effects along with some custom effects using some digital tools online and also on cell phone apps. Projecting mapping, video editing, DIY props such as 3D prints to some DIY Dollar Tree hacks. Excited about what this year's Halloween haunt's going to be, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to join me in my fun and creative journey to Jmart's Halloween Haunt 2023.